Hi everybody, today we're doing a let me fix my camera. Okay, today we're doing a comparison between these two bags, and these are bags that I am returning. Excuse the look. I just came back from work, no lips, no nothing, but I am returning these two bags, so I do need to make this a video before I do. So this one is the Nautical Collection CarryAll in the PM size. I love this plate right here, but I just can't get over that it's this much money for a fabric bag. And then this is my new bag, which is the Louis Vuitton Lowkey Hobo in the smaller version. And again, it's just not working out because I just feel like the strap drop is a little too short for me. I am heavier, and also when I have things on it, and I'm walking around, it's falling off of my shoulders. So either maybe make the strap longer and thicker a little bit, and maybe also I would prefer the bag if it was bigger, maybe an inch bigger. But again, here are the two bags. I will put dimensions of both bags in the description down below. I know they're two completely different bags, but very different style, just different size. But for comparison, I just wanted to show you guys the differences. This one is a full leather bag, gold hardware. Interior is that suede material, and it does have more compartment. This one, again, I said is fabric, the untreated vachetta leather, gold hardware, and no compartments inside. This one does come with this detachable strap, or pouch I should say, and it has a zipper inside and two pouch pockets. And this one will fit more. The strings right here are also, you can just do that, which is tucking it on the inside if you didn't like it. I would prefer it maybe just non-existent, but I understand it's a feature that they added. I love this luggage tag that it comes with, especially because it's it's a mirrored finish. It's so pretty. I love that this is a curve, so it keeps this strap always straight and not it won't leave an indentation no matter which loop you put the strap in, which is a really nice touch as well. And also it is removable, like I said, and adjustable, so that's nice if you ever decide you want to remove it and put a different strap. It also does go crossbody on me. I am shorter, but I've seen other women wear this bag crossbody, even the MM size. The MM size, I do find it too long for me personally, but that bag is also a really nice slouchy hobo. So again, this is the CarryAll PM. Gorgeous bag. Oh, also it does have 4 feet in the bottom, which is a very, very nice touch. It also is reinforced a little bit on the base, so it doesn't sag, opposed to a Speedy that would sag once you start putting your items inside. This is such a beautiful bag. I do like it. I think I'm transitioning more into a shoulder bag style carrying person instead of my typical, which is a top handle with an option to wear over the shoulders. So this is very cute. It is very comfortable on the shoulders as well. And then another thing that most people have complained is that it thickens up and then it gets thinner as it goes down. I wish it does have just one size strap all throughout. That is a nice feature. Or maybe like not this skinny but also not this thick, like a happy medium in between. I think that would have been a really nice touch too. But again, I'm not the Louis Vuitton designer. Now to the Lowkey. This bag has a padding on the interior of this side, which makes it more comfortable on the shoulder. I don't think, personally, my personal thoughts, this was intended for women who have meatier arms / shoulders, just because it's not a very generous shoulder opening. This is the longest setting. It has shorter settings, and this is the longest setting that it offers. And even this, to me, is not generous at all. You have, you know, more leather over here to maybe add holes if you wanted to. I don't know how Louis Vuitton would allow that, but it could be an option if you wanted to bring it to a local cobbler and add holes to your choosing. That's not something I'm doing because, again, I am returning both bags. I love the lock feature on this bag. It is magnetic and it is a strong magnet. So you just gotta find it. If you just like leave it like that too, it does slouch. So over time, if you just leave it that way, it'll start to rub against on the back of this key lock, and I just don't know how the scratching and the tarnishing for that will work. So make sure it locks and finds its center. It's a very supple, soft, very malleable leather. So I don't know if that could be considered a pro or a con, because for example, if you put a water bottle or something that's more prominent for an extended period of time, I don't know if that would leave an indentation on the exterior of the bag. If it's just sitting there, maybe I would maybe stuff this bag and, you know, hold it, leave it straight standing like this when I'm just not wearing it or storing it. I do like that padding feature. It's a very nice touch. This one is made in France. It does have key plate on the back right here. It does not have feet at the bottom. It's more of this oval curvature shape, which is very cute. The side loops are not gonna stick up over time because it has this. It keeps it held down, which is a really cute touch as well. I don't know how color transfer would work, being that it is a light colored bag. I do love light colored bags, especially we're approaching spring summer season. We're currently in spring. I love the white with the gold, and it is very low-key, very minimal logo. There's not even Louis Vuitton written on the buckles right here. This is the only logo, which is just LV and then Louis Vuitton at the bottom right here. And that's pretty much it about this bag. Let me do some mod shots and comparisons. If you guys like these bags, or are you gonna purchase any of these bags, which one would it be? I think I'm definitely gonna purchase the bigger size. My store sucks. They don't get any stock, so I have to always, if I'm interested in an item, it's something I always have to purchase, try on, see how it works, and if it doesn't work, I always have to return it that way. And it sucks for my sales associate, because if it doesn't work out for me, then that's commission that my sales associate is losing out on, and that I kind of look like a bad customer that way. But it's just harder if you don't have stock for me to try on to even decide if I like it or not. But again, enough with the rant. Let's do some mod shots. I'm a size 14 for reference and about 5 feet for height. Here is the Lowkey on the crook of my arm, and you can wear it as like on the handheld as well. And I am wearing something a little bit bulkier, so I'm wearing a sweater, but that's how it looks and sits on me. And again, this is on the longest setting, and I don't like how that sits. And here is the Carryall. This sits more comfortably, and these are with nothing inside, so you can just kind of throw it back. And it is bigger because it is a hobo style, so you could potentially run into things, which makes me nervous because it's cloth and it's white, and I just, for my lifestyle, I know it's not gonna work. You can also wear it this way, and then you can extend it both ways, but just to show you guys how it looks, like I said, you can wear it crossbody. I'm just gonna do it on one side, but you see how that's already long, and then you can extend the other side too to make it longer. So that could definitely work. so cute. And you can make it shorter too, just not as short as this one. For it's not a day to evening bag, it's more of a day casual running around type bag. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. I'll link all my socials down below. Follow me and I'll see you next time. Bye.